So the first thing we did was we tore the front end apart, like the front assembly. Now we are gonna tear apart the chassis. We're gonna take this rear section, and I believe it's just 4 screws. Disconnect the exhaust and then disconnect the wires for the easy start. Also for the glow plug, take this set screw out and disconnect the brake. We have to take the ground off. And then finally we're gonna take this power switch off because we are gonna get a new one. This is trash. There is the rear assembly, which we are not gonna deal with that today. But here we have the chassis assembly, which we are gonna tear down even more. We're gonna strip everything off of it down to just the chassis. I don't know if I'm gonna save this. I don't even know if this is still good. I plan on getting both new servos. The little 0.15, we might have an issue with it. It does not want to turn. So I think it might be seized up, but we're gonna take this easy start off, take the glow plug out, and we're gonna see if we can free up this motor. Also, this fuel tank does have some gelled up old nitro fuel in there. We're gonna clean all that out, but we're gonna save the tank. All right, let's work on getting this motor, fuel tank, and servo off. Okay, I don't need to take anything else apart. I'm just going to clean this up with WD-40 like I did with the other parts. So I'm going to spray this on, clean it up, and then the chassis section is disassembled. So I'm going to let this WD-40 soak into the dirt and kind of break it up a little bit, and also soak into the plastic, softening it up. And then I'm going to clean it off, and then we have a nice clean chassis. In the meantime, I am going to try and clean up this fuel tank. So I did end up tearing this chassis apart. It was a whole lot easier to get it cleaned up. So this is all stuff that I'm saving that I want to put back together, put on the truck. There's my pile of screws. Hopefully I can remember where each one went and what they were for. Luckily, I have the diagram, I have the plans. I'll have a pretty good idea of where to put those back at. So I have the easy start here. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do. I might switch over to pull start. I'm a fan of pull start. I don't like the easy start system. I said about the servo, not sure if I'm gonna get rid of that. This, I think we're gonna have to do a full motor tear down. I cannot get the piston inside to move. It's pretty seized up. So that might be another video. And then the last thing we have to tear down is the rear assembly. Not too much involved. Shock towers, body mounts, and a few other things, some hinge pins to take out, and we'll get that tore apart and cleaned up, and then we'll get everything laid out here on the table, and we'll start putting it back together because I do have most of the stuff that I need to put it back together. It has been shipped to me, so finally, so it won't be long, we'll be able to get this thing back together and running. Also, these wheels and tires, I am not putting these wheels and tires back on. I'm not a fan of the design of the wheel. I like the 2-wheel drive Rustler wheel a little better. And then it comes with the Talon Extremes, and these are just the Talons. So the Talon Extremes have a little bit more tread on. That'll be probably the final thing I do before we get this thing running. So that's it for this part 2 of the Stampede Revive. Rear assembly is next. So watch for that video coming out. Thanks for watching this revive of this Nitro Stampede.